Hello, it's Natasha. Thank you for joining me today. It's a quick video share. I'd like to share with you how to make these stars, which I think will make nice decoration for the holiday season. You can make a garland with them, or you can use them in some other way. So they're really easy to make. You need a piece of paper, and it doesn't really matter what size it is. What matters is that it's square. So mine is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and it shouldn't be too thick, because if it's too thick, it will be difficult to fold, difficult to score, difficult to card. But it probably shouldn't be too flimsy as well. But I think the best way is just to experiment with the paper you have and see how it works for you. So I have this piece of paper, which is as I said, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So that's how we do our star. So you fold it in half, and better to use your bone folder to ensure that the creases are good. And then you take one corner of this rectangle and you bring it to this side, and you need to make sure that it touches like 1/3 of this side. You can use your ruler and measure it, but you don't have to do that. You just eyeball it. So it should 1/3 here and 2/3 here. So you just I've never used a ruler, not even once, and it worked every time. So, but as I said, you can use a ruler, especially if you do it for the first time. So here we have this thing. Now we turn it over and we fold this flap inside. So now we have like sort of a rectangle. Then we turn it back, and now we bring, so we have this little notch on this side. So we bring this corner to this, and again we score, and that's it. So now you only need your scissors. So if you are right-handed, like I am, you have this flap, right? You need to hold this folded piece of paper so that this flap faces away from you, because we need to make a cut from here to about the middle, okay? If you're left-handed, you'll obviously turn it over so that the flap is facing you, and you will cut this piece from here to here. But I'm right-handed, so you put your scissors like approximately at the end, so, and then you cut somewhere to the middle of this fold. Okay, now let's unfold and let's see what we have. So it looks like a star, but it's not really, it doesn't look like this. So what we need to do, we need to reinforce these fold lines. Let's start with the short fold lines first. So we need to make sure that they all face the same way. So we need to make sure that they all face up in this case. So you just reinforce them. Now you turn your star over, and now you focus on the longer fold lines, and again you make sure you reinforce them to make sure that they all face up. And so here's our stars ready. So it was super easy to make. Here I have 2 stars I made from white paper, and I sprayed them with gold spray paint. So you can make a bunch of stars from white and spray them with a spray paint. And I was so happy that I could use my spray paint, because being a hoarder that I am, I'm always excited when I get to use stuff that I have in my stash and don't use very often. And one more thing. So these 2 stars were made from the same size piece of paper, 6 by 6 inches, and you see they're different. So to vary the size of your star, so you can use the same piece of paper, and I'll show you how to do this. So here I have a star that we've just made. It's from 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and here I have it already folded. And again, this flap faces away from me. So now I just put my scissors a bit higher, not at the end, not at the corner of this fold, but a little bit higher. So it means that my longer spikes will be a bit shorter, right? So, and again, I just cut it, and let's see. So again, let's reinforce first our short fold lines. Let's make sure that they all face up. Okay, like so. This one. And let's reinforce the longer ones. So you see, we have two stars, different size, although they were both made from one piece of paper, from the same piece of paper, size 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Okay, so I hope you like, and you know, you can layer your stars. You can, you know, you can make them like so, and they will have a different look. So I hope you like this tutorial, and you will give it a try. Have a great day, and thank you for spending some time with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll be really happy to share some more inspiration with you. Have a great day, and see you again soon. Bye.